Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a cozy and flavorful dish, steamed tofu with minced pork. This one is perfect over rice, soft, savory, and super satisfying. Here I've got a block of firm tofu. Put it into a bowl and crack into eggs. Now just get in there with your hand and start breaking the tofu apart. Don't worry about making it perfect, just crush it up. And then add some chopped spring onions and 1 teaspoon of salt to season it a bit. Keep mixing until it's all well combined. Then use a spoon to flatten and press it down. Then cover it tightly with plastic wrap and steam it over boiling water for 8 minutes. The exact timing depends on your steamer and how thick your bowl is. If it's not done after 8 minutes, no big deal. Just steam it a bit longer and it will be fine. While that's steaming, let's prepare the toppings. Dice up some carrots, green peppers, and shiitake mushrooms. Use as much or as little as you like. And of course some minced pork belly. The fat is going to add so much flavor. Let's start cooking. Heat up some oil in the wok. Add the pork and stir fry it until the pork changes the color. Add in the carrots, peppers, and mushrooms. Then add a tablespoon of cooking wine, 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Now 150 milliliters of water goes in. Season with a teaspoon each of salt, MSG, and sugar. Here comes the cornstarch slurry, just a bit at a time. Keep stirring as you add so the sauce thickens slowly and stays smooth. Here's our tofu, fresh out of the steamer, soft and still steaming. Now let's pour that rich savory sauce right over the top. Make sure every bit is covered. And finish with a sprinkle of spring onion. Look at that. It smells amazing. Let me take a bite. I like to spoon some straight over rice and then mix it in. Wow, so comforting, so flavorful. Even if you are not usually into tofu, this dish might just change your mind. Go ahead and try at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.